In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meeting notes in Notion Calendar. By the end, you'll have your agenda and notes only one click away from every meeting, so you can prepare faster, run cleaner discussions, and capture action items without juggling tabs. Start by creating or opening the event in your Notion calendar. You can click on an empty time slot to make a new event or select an existing one you've already scheduled. Give the event a clear title so it's easy to find later, and confirm the date and time are correct. Keeping your event details tidy now makes it much easier to link the right notes in the next step. Once the event opens, look for the Event Detail panel. In that panel, find the section labeled Docs and Links. Depending on your view, you might see it as a paperclip icon or an attachments area. If it isn't visible right away, try expanding the event panel or scrolling. It's usually near the middle or lower portion of the details. This is where you'll associate your meeting notes with the event, so everything lives together. Now, attach the page that will hold your meeting notes. You can choose an existing Notion page, like a recurring meeting notes page, or create a brand new one directly from this area. If you already have a notes or agenda page, search for it by name and attach it. If you need a fresh page, create one here and give it a descriptive title. Consider a consistent naming pattern, such as the meeting name plus the date, to keep things organized and searchable. You can also use your favorite notes template so the page opens with sections for agenda, attendees, discussion points, decisions, and follow-ups. Once attached, that page becomes the anchor for your meeting. Before the meeting, open the event and add your agenda so participants know what to expect. During the meeting, keep the page open to capture notes in real time. Afterward, summarize decisions, assign owners to action items, and add any links to resources or recordings right on the same page. If you collaborate with teammates, make sure the page is shared with anyone who needs access so they can review and contribute without requesting permission. That's all it takes. Create or open the event, find the docs and links or attachment area in the event details, and attach an existing Notion page or create a new one for your meeting notes. From now on, your calendar and your documentation will stay perfectly in sync.